Welcome all for the session on salads. Let's begin with the objective of the session. So what are the objective of salad topic? So starting with the introduction of salads, parts of salad, ingredients used of salad making, what are the types of various salads, principle of salad making, some of the important guidelines while making the salads, various types of salad dressing used all over the world, and some exciting examples of international salads. So let's begin with the introduction of the salads, where I'll tell you what is salads. So salad is a dish of raw leafy green vegetable, often tossed with a piece of raw or cooked vegetable, fruit, cheese, or other ingredients like meat, and served with the dressings. As you can see in the picture, there are 5 types of salads which we prepare in our college for salad demo. Let's move on to the introduction of salads. So salad is also known as herba salata in Latin, which means salted green. Salad can be used as outdoors, as a separate course, as accompaniments to the main course. Salad are nutritionally balanced, attractively display, they are refreshing and stimulate to the palate and appetite. Let's see the various parts of salads. As you can see in the picture, there is a salad which we prepare in the college. So salad have a base of lettuce, maybe various types of lettuce. Then there is a body ingredients. Then there is a dressing. As you can see in the picture, there is whitish color dressing and a garnish which is there parsley as on the top of the salads. Let's repeat 4 parts of salads: base, body, dressing, and a garnish. Let's see one by one all these parts, starting with the base. So what is base for a salad? Base is give definition to the placement of salads. Different types of lettuce are used for the base. Base prevent thin dressing from flowing out of the plate. Base make the salad look organized. As you can see, 2 examples of salad lettuce leaves which are there in the picture. One is green lettuce and the other one is mixed color lettuce. Let's move on to the next part of salad. Body. So what are body? Body is the main ingredients of the salad. This should be the focal point of the salad and sit right on the top of the base. It gives the main flavor to the salad. Body ingredients should be blend well with each other. As you can see the example of chicken and orange salad. Chicken and orange you can easily identify and it is visible to the guest. So that is body part of a salad. Let's move on to the next part, which is dressing. So dressing is used to enhance and give more flavor to the body of the salad. It makes the salad more palatable. Dressing is either tossed or mixed with the salad. Dressing should not be too dominating compared to the body ingredients of the salad. Some of the traditional and popular dressings: vinaigrette, oriental dressing, English or French mustard dressing, and Russian dressings. As you can see the 2 photographs, there is a bottle of spicy dressing and vinaigrette dressing, and there is a at the bottom picture there is a thick ranch dressing. Let's see all international popular dressing used all over the world. So starting with the blue cheese dressing, which is obviously having blue cheese and some cream into it. Then French dressing will have 3 parts of oil, 1 part of vinegar and the seasoning, and obviously the mustard. English dressing, oil and vinegar and the English mustard. American vinaigrette, which have equal part of vinegar, oil, and mustard and seasoning. Italian dressing will have vinaigrette, garlic, and some Italian herbs such as oregano, basil, and dill. Mayonnaise dressing, which is very popular all over the world and especially in India, which have egg yolk, oil, and vinegar, and salad cream and accelerated cream dressing, which will have a cream base. Let's move on to the last part, which is garnish. Garnish add form, texture, color to the salads. It should complement, not compete, with the body of the salads. Sometimes simple salad mixed with the colorful ingredient does not need garnish. Let's see now various types of salad. So there are two types of salad. One is simple salad, the other one is compound salad. Let's see what are the simple salads. As you can see in the picture, there are only few ingredients. This is a salad of roasted vegetable which prepare in our college. So simple salad is a variety of one or two greens. It has mild dressing. It can be used as a side garnish. It is used as a palate cleanser or to stimulate the palate. Some of the example of simple salad is mustard, cress salad or lettuce salad. Let's move on to the compound salads. Compound salad consists of cooked or raw ingredients or both of them together. A variety of marination and a dressing can be used in compound salads. These salads can be used as appetizers or separate salad course. It has multiple combination of ingredients, usually has two or three ingredients as a garnish. Compound salad are usually served in an individual plate. There are four types of compound salads. It, it is fruit based, vegetable based, meat based, or fish based. Let's see one by one all the compound salads. So, starting with the pasta salad and rice salad, let's see what are the guidelines of making these salads. Pasta or rice should be evenly coated with the dressings. Pasta should not be served right out of the fridge for maximum flavor. Fresh herbs, spices, other flavors and answer should be mixed directly with the fresh cooked pasta or with the dressing. Pasta or rice is the main body of the salads. The best rice for salad is long grain polished rice. Let's move on to the next one, legume salads. So what are the precautions to be taken while making legume salads? The eye appeal of the salad depends heavily on the shape and color of the beans. The texture of a legume salad also depends greatly on the doneness of the beans. Dressing used for the legume salad may vary from the heavier mayonnaise base or lighter vinaigrette base. So you can use in legume salad French beans or rajma or chickpea, anything or combination of these legumes. Let's move on to the meat, poultry or seafood salad. So what are the precaution or guideline for making them? Starting with the first guideline, chicken or fish can be grilled or poached. Old bird should be slowly simmer until tender. Natural dripping from the roasting, braising, poaching can be used as a dressing. Seafood which is marinated for several hours can be served without being cooked. It is also known as cured fish or carpaccio. Seafood are best complement with vinaigrette dressings. Let's move on to the next and final compound salad, which is fresh fruit salad. So, when you prepare a fresh fruit salad, natural color, flavor, texture of the fresh fruit should be preserved. Dressing should be served separately from the fruit. Seasonal fresh fruits, canned or dry fruits can be used. Crispy texture vegetables such as celery can be used in fruit salad. Let's see a nice video by celebrity chef Jamie Oliver. Wow, what a nice presentation and explanation of salads by Chef Jamie Oliver. Let's move on to the principle of salad making. So, starting with the first principle, use of fresh ingredients. Your salad should be attractive and well garnished and presented. Proper mixture of different texture, as said by the chef Jamie Oliver also. He used a lot of vegetables and different types of lettuce he used, okay, and dairies. Use of colorful ingredients to increase the eye appeal. Good balance of flavors and different taste is important while making salads. Proper temperature of the ingredients is must while presenting or serving salads. Next slide, let's see the selection and presentation guidelines for the salads. So, first guideline, there are 5 primary factors which should be considered while selecting and presenting a salad, which are flavor, color, nutrition, texture, and size. These are the vital points while selecting and presenting salads. Layout of salad must be well balanced. The focal point should be main ingredients of the salads. As you see the example of chicken and orange salad, they are focal point of the salads. The presentation should not be too crowdy. The placement should be attractive. The portion size should be matched with the size of the plate in which you are serving, and also consider the course which you are serving. Okay. Let's move on to some international salads examples. So first one is a gado gado salad from Indonesia, then fattoush salad from Lebanon, then caprese from Italy, Greek salad from Greece, Caesar salad from Mexico, som tam from Thailand, and Niçoise salad from France. Some interesting fact of salads, some funny fact which you should know, or which is just add some interest in salads. Okay, first one, the world's largest salad was made in Romania. The weight was 41,099 and 9,800 pounds. Huge salads. McDonald's salads are more fattening than their burgers. So students, be careful while eating McDonald's food or salad specifically. Iceberg lettuce got its name from the way it was shipped in olden train carriages. Ice was piled on the carton of lettuce to keep it cold. As the train moved forward and come towards the town, people would call out with excitement, "Icebergs are coming, icebergs are coming." That's the way it got the name. Isn't it funny? I never know these facts. Let's have a quick question for you. Can you identify all these 3 salads? I'll give you a few seconds. I wait and I just show you the names. What is the first one? Yes, it is caprese, tomato mozzarella from Italy. Okay, nice plated tomato mozzarella with basil and pesto. What is the next one? Any guesses? I hope you got it. It is Niçoise salad from France, with tuna fish, which is served medium rare or rare, with bits of pieces with lettuce, some boiled egg, cherry tomato, olives, green beans, potatoes. What is the last one? Any guesses? Caesar salad, very popular. Caesar salad is from Mexico. It is been prepared by Italian man in Mexico, so the originated in Mexico, not in Italy. Okay, these are my some references which I use for making this slide and session for you guys. I hope you like the session. I'm also providing in my comment box a link for the quiz. Please solve this